aforementioned headlines got the story confused. Buckets full of ping pong balls were not what we used. All in one go, the bird has been secured. Jellyfish reactor fired in 1916. Across the river wheeled the buffalo figurine. All in one go, the bird has been secured. Do not mention money, do not mention drugs. Either one will scatter your ducks. Do not mention money, do not mention drugs. While the episode is in flux, the bird is on alert. Of course, these things are going to happen. Just like a pretty girl in stupid shoes. Feathers on the fingers and beak around the back. Existential crisis, my excuse. Now that we've affirmed our understanding of time, let's begin negotiations deep and sublime. All in one go, the bird has been secured. A point in space surrounded by a halo of points, closely integrated so the line is in joint. All in one go, the bird has been secured. Do not mention money, do not mention drugs. Either one will scatter your ducks. Do not mention money, do not mention drugs. While the episode is in flux, the bird is all absurd. You see me and I perceive the run-on. Syntax maturation and the orthographic self-abuse. Feathers on the fingers and beak around the back. Existential crisis, my excuse. The bird has been secured. What's the third remaining word? The bird has been recurred.